Jobs.
Justice.
Justice.
Haiti. Poverty. Jobs.
Jobs.
Justice. Rebuild America. Bottom up. Not top down. Bottom up. Not top down. March.
Jobs.
The bridge. Don't stop there. Beyond the bridge is poverty. Beyond the bridge, home foreclosures. Beyond the bridge, church foreclosures. Beyond the bridge, student loan debt. Beyond the bridge, rebuild Haiti. Beyond the bridge, end the war in Afghanistan. Beyond the bridge, put America back to work. Say I am. Like it means I am. Somebody. Respect me.
Respect me.
Protect me.
Protect me.
Never neglect me. I am.
I am.
Somebody.
Somebody.
I am.
I am.
God's child.
Child.
Do it all.
Do it all.
Keep hope.
Keep hope.
Alive.
Alive.
Keep hope.
Keep hope.
Alive.
Alive.
Keep hope.
Keep hope.
Alive.
Alive.
Love you.
Reverend Jesse Lewis Jackson. Don't tell me on the question of public policy, he spells it out plain. He makes it plain on the issue of public policy. Now he talked about the issue of Haiti and rebuilding Haiti. We are buttons are circulating through the crowd. The best way to commemorate Bloody Sunday is to stop the bleeding in Haiti. We hope everybody will purchase one. We now want to introduce for a musical selection, a drummer, extraordinary drummer, who among other things has played with the great Wycliffe Jean. Would you please welcome Tiga Jean-Baptiste. Give it up for Tiga Jean-Baptiste. Hey, boo. Hey, boo. Good to see you, man. Hey, boo.
We're going to have another rally in the state capitol at
Hey, boo.
tonight, because we're still trying to get these things over.
Hold the microphone.
At the state.
Aye, Bobo. You know, we say Aye, Bobo in Haiti before we start our ceremony. Aye, Bobo means Biswong. Are you ready? Please say it with me. Aye, Bobo. Thank you.
Everybody say, everybody say, everybody say, move it out, move it out. Everybody say, just like a tree planted by the water.